Hello and welcome to our video on WordPress error solving tutorials for creators. If you're a WordPress programmer, you may have encountered this error before. It's called fatal error, too few arguments to function. To solve the too few arguments to function error, you need to make sure that you are passing the correct number of arguments to the function. Here are some steps to follow. Step 1. Check the function definition. Look at the function declaration and determine how many arguments it requires. This information should be available in the function documentation or the code itself. Step 2. Check the function call. Look at the place where the function is called and verify that you are passing the correct number of arguments. Make sure that the arguments are in the correct order and that you are not missing any. Step 3. Add missing arguments. If you are missing arguments, add them to the function call. You can use default values for optional parameters if they are available. Step 4. Remove extra arguments. If you are passing too many arguments, remove the extra ones from the function call. Step 5. Refactor code if necessary. If you are unable to fix the issue with the current function definition, you may need to refactor your code to make it work. Step 6. Test your code. After making changes, test your code to ensure that the error has been resolved and that the function is working as expected. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the too few arguments to function error and ensure that your code is running smoothly. We hope you found this video useful, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.